Welcome to our Cowboys fan channel. Today we're diving deep into the latest trade rumors that have Cowboys Nation buzzing. Could Trey Lance be on his way to Miami to join the Dolphins amidst Tua Tagovailoa's uncertain future? Stick around as we break down this potential blockbuster move and what it means for both teams. The recent situation in Miami has sparked an interesting conversation. Could Trey Lance find a new home with the Dolphins? Tua Tagovailoa's health is a growing concern after another concussion. While Dolphins coach Mike McDaniel isn't suggesting Tua's retirement, the team is clearly in need of reinforcement at the quarterback position. This has led to speculation, particularly among Dallas Cowboys fans, about a possible trade involving Trey Lance. Now, Dallas did give up a fourth-round pick for Lance, and he hasn't made a significant impact, remaining the third-string quarterback behind Dak Prescott and Cooper Rush. Naturally, the idea of trading him to Miami to recover some of that investment is appealing, but it's not as straightforward as it sounds. The question is, does Miami see enough in Lance to offer a draft pick for an unproven quarterback? In Miami's camp, Skyler Thompson is stepping up in Tua's absence. He's already demonstrated his potential with a strong playoff performance, placing him well ahead of Lance in terms of NFL readiness. Coach McDaniel's trust in Thompson is evident, underscoring why he was chosen as the backup. As for the other quarterbacks, Tim Boyle sits on the practice squad, though his 0-5 starting record isn't exactly reassuring. Even then, is Lance a clear upgrade over Boyle? That's not an easy question to answer, and Miami might hesitate to part with a fourth-round pick for such uncertainty. The Dolphins have alternatives. They could reach out to Ryan Tannehill to provide veteran support, or even bring back Mike White, who was recently vying for the backup role and is now with the Bills' practice squad. These options bring more proven experience to the table than Lance currently offers. From the Cowboys' perspective, if they could swing a trade with Miami and gain a valuable piece in return, it would be a savvy move by Jerry and Stephen Jones. But the odds aren't in their favor. Miami isn't in a desperate situation and would likely be reluctant to give up something valuable for a quarterback like Lance who hasn't proven himself yet. A curious twist in this situation is McDaniel's past connection to Lance, having been on the 49ers staff when Lance was drafted. While some might see this as a potential advantage, it could also mean McDaniel is well aware of Lance's limitations, which might actually work against a trade happening. In the end, while the idea of Trey Lance heading to Miami stirs the imagination, it feels more like wishful thinking than a realistic scenario. The Dolphins seem content exploring other options that might better suit their current needs. For Cowboys fans dreaming of a trade, it seems like a long shot, unless Dallas can present a deal that's too good for Miami to pass up. So while the rumors are buzzing, the reality of the situation suggests it's unlikely. The Dolphins have other viable options, and the Cowboys might struggle to find the return they're looking for with Lance. Still, the NFL is full of surprises, so who knows what could happen next. So there you have it, Cowboys fans. While the idea of trading Trey Lance to Miami seems like a stretch, in the unpredictable world of the NFL, anything is possible. Do you think this trade would benefit the Cowboys or the Dolphins more? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth Cowboys coverage